You don't really notice it at first, but over time your pockets just get heavier. Phone, keys, wallet, small flashlight, maybe a multi-tool, and before long you're adjusting how you sit, how you walk, even how your clothes fit. Now, if you've been watching the channel, you will know that I love slings to ease that friction, but some of them get expensive. Recently though, I've been trying something that's incredibly effective and actually affordable. This is the tomtoc Aviator T33 3.5 litre sling. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, multi-tools, flashlights, kits and pouches, or just like seeing what people actually carry, you are in the right place, because what you carry carries you. Now, a quick transparency note. Tomtoc got in touch and very kindly sent this out to the channel. There was no payment, no script approval, and they haven't seen this before posting. But I do get to keep the sling, for which I'm very grateful because it is a great piece of gear. Here's the thing about pocket carry. It works until it doesn't, because pockets aren't really designed for modern EDC. They shift around, they bulk out your silhouette, and they force compromise. You either carry everything and feel overloaded, or carry less and get caught out. And that's where slings come in. The idea behind something like the T33 is simple. It's not really a bag. It's an extension of your pockets, somewhere to move your essentials without jumping all the way to a backpack. And that middle ground is where things get interesting, because it doesn't just change what you carry, it changes how you think about carry. So let's look at the T33. This is the 3.5 litre version, which for me sits right in that sweet spot of core daily carry. Not everything you own, just what you actually use. It's also available in a smaller 1.5 litre version, but this feels like the more practical option. It measures 29 by 15 by 8.5 centimetres with a strap length of 140 centimetres, and it's lightweight at 315 grams, and you feel that straight away. The materials are solid. It's made from water repellent, not waterproof, recycled nylon. There are YKK zippers and Duraflex hardware, which is great to see at this price point. There is a front access pocket with key leash and 2 internal slots. On the rear, there's another large pocket deep enough to comfortably hold a passport safely against the body. Inside, you've got a triple compartment layout, and this is where it starts to make sense. It opens wide, it's easy to access, easy to see your gear, and I love the bright orange lining. Not just for looks, but because it actually helps you see your gear. It keeps everything organised. Quick access, structured storage, a bit of extra security for your valuables, so nothing just disappears into the bottom of the bag. And overall, it just feels right. Not delicate, not overbuilt, just really well put together. So how does it work in practice? For me, this becomes a core EDC hub. Instead of loading up my pockets, everything moves into here. My phone generally stays in my pocket unless I'm charging it, but it will comfortably take my EDC pouch, which doubles as my wallet, my keys, a multi-tool, a flashlight, a small power bank, cables, a few everyday extras, the over-the-counter meds, some band-aids, some tissues, wipes, and suddenly my pockets are basically empty. Just my phone remaining, which sounds small but feels completely different. Sitting down is easier, walking feels cleaner, and you stop doing that constant check. Have I got everything? Because it's all in one place. And I've still got plenty of space for things like my Osmo Pocket 3, a notebook and pen, maybe even a foldable backpack or tote. Where this really works is in movement, commuting, walking through town on my day off, travelling. Everything's contained, easy to reach, and stays exactly where you expect it. And it looks good as well. There's also an RFID blocking pocket. I'm not sure how much of a thing RFID skimming is, but in busy stations, crowded places, it just adds that extra layer of reassurance. And overall, it comes back to one thing: less friction, less faffing, less thinking, just smoother. Now, this isn't for everyone. If you love pure pocket carry, this might feel like overkill. And if you're already a committed backpack user, you might not need it. But where this really works is that middle ground, when you want more than your pockets, less than a bag. Something simple, functional, and importantly, affordable. At the time of filming, this is about £40 in the UK, around $49 in the US, which I think is great value for what you're getting. And at the time of filming, there's an additional 5% off using the code JimBob05 through the Amazon links down below. Following those will really help the channel. Good EDC isn't about carrying more, it's about carrying better, reducing friction, improving flow, making your day easier without even thinking about it. And for me, this is one of those pieces that quietly does that. But over to you. Are you using a sling like this, or are you still all in on pockets? Do let me know down in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks again to tomtoc for sending this out. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. And remember, what you carry carries you.